All right, guys, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. So welcome back to another video with your man Jay. So this is my AT&T version of the LG Velvet, but this video is about the T-Mobile version. The T-Mobile version is built a little different, but before we get to the specs of that thing, it does come in two different colors. It comes in like this little gray looking color, and then it has a white color as well. And then it costs $588, unlike the other versions that we have for sale from the different carriers. And then also the biggest change I think I could find is that they didn't go with the Snapdragon 765. They went with the more powerful MediaTek 1000C. Now that processor right there, and here's the white version right there. These two colors looks like they're exclusive to T-Mobile. At least the white one looks like it is. But the fact that they switched up and they're getting the first MediaTek processor for the US, 5G that is, and I think this is a good thing. I don't think that we're going to see any bad performance from the MediaTek version of this device, and I think it's good that T-Mobile's doing this. A lot of people say that the LG software is so clunky, blah blah blah. Looks just like any other piece of software I've used for on a smartphone. Honestly, they all look the same. But processing power, you should see the same type of performance that you get from this device. So is that something that T-Mobile's trying to save money? Does the MediaTek processor cost less in bulk? I don't know. It's just LG. This is the deal that T-Mobile struck up with LG. And I think no matter which version you have, you're going to be happy with this device. This is a fantastic phone, folks. I mean, I can't stress it enough. I recently put out a video talking about this device, and there's just so much to like about it. It has so many options in the camera game. It's incredible. It's really nice. I mean, look at all these different shots here, these things that you can do. And you've got the stickers and stuff like that, portrait, photo, video, everything. And in the video, it records up to 4K. And then you've got the bokeh mic. You've got everything on this phone. And more importantly, it's going to be a social media giant because it has this giant 6.8-inch display. And I think that's important with people today. Big screens mean a lot to them. And I'm using a Samsung device to record this video, so you let me know what you think. But big screens mean a lot to people these days. And let's crank this other Samsung way up. And it gives you some sense, and I do have the Velvet all the way up as well. It gives you some sense of how good LG's displays are. And you just look at how it's fighting against Samsung in this particular setting here for a display. And I think that when LG releases this on T-Mobile, I would hope that the T-Mobile reps know how to sell these devices. You know what I'm saying? They should know how to show you a phone that's very powerful, that's going to get your day-to-day tasks done and offer you a whole bunch, other than just trying to sell you an iPhone or just a Samsung. And that is the trend for smartphones pretty much these days. If it's not a Samsung or an Apple, people don't want to hear about it, or reps don't want to sell it. It almost feels like, and I don't know if they get more commission off of certain phones. I'm pretty sure they do. But in the end, the Velvet is actually a fantastic device, and I hope that you guys get your chance to grab it on T-Mobile. You know, again, I'm not a fan of financing if you don't have to, but if you do have to, here's another one I could recommend if you decide to finance it. You know, it is what it is. It's a good phone, and you buy it any way you can. But I like the Velvet a whole bunch. I use this phone every day, and I just think it's a good look. The cameras are incredible. I don't think that you're going to get different cameras or anything like that. You know, it's just going to be a good look for you. So it's your man Jay. The LG Velvet is hitting T-Mobile. What do you guys think about that? I'll see you in the next one. Take care.